Alright, hi you guys. So here's how you do the Don't Hold Your Breath Lung Capacity Lab. So our objective is to compare the amount of air taken in during various breathing exercises. So some background information for you. Lung capacity is the amount of air contained within the lungs during various breathing activities, and it can be measured in several ways. So one is the total lung capacity, and that's the amount of air in the lungs after a very deep inhalation. So this includes vital and residual capacity. So this is how much air you can fit in your lungs in total. The second type is the residual lung capacity, and that's any air left in the lungs after a deep exhalation. So even after you breathe everything out of your lungs, there's still a little bit of air in there. So if I were to breathe out and keep pushing, there would still be air in there. Alright, and that's my residual lung capacity. Your vital lung capacity is the amount of air that you can forcibly exhale in a single breath. So that's after I inhale as much as I can, my vital capacity would be measured by blowing it all out until I can blow out no more. And then tidal lung capacity, that's just how much I breathe normally, kind of like the ocean tide. So it's not a deep breath, but it's like, I don't know, the kind of breathing I'm doing right now while I'm making this video, or while you guys are listening to the video, or if you're reading a book or washing the dishes. So here's what you need to complete this experiment. You need a ruler, and you need a balloon. Okay, both of those you can get from me. So here's what you're going to do. You are going to stretch out your balloon by pulling on it several times, and then we're going to measure our tidal capacity. So remember, that's like an ocean tide, so it's just how much I regularly breathe. So in order to do this, I'm going to take a normal breath in, and then I'll put the balloon up to my lips and exhale a normal breath into the balloon. I'm not going to force air into the balloon. I'm not going to poof out my cheeks like that. Then I'll pinch the open end of the balloon and place the balloon on the table, and then I'll measure the diameter in centimeters with my ruler and record that information on my chart here below. So let's give it a try. Let's say that's about the best I can do, and I might have even pushed it in there a little bit. So then I will measure with my ruler, and what I'm doing is I'm putting the neck of the balloon sort of at the 0 and then seeing where the bottom of it is. So I would say that this is about 13 centimeters. So down here I'd write the number 13. Okay, and I'm keeping track of my balloon because Ms. Jung definitely won't give me another balloon if I let mine, fly all over the classroom. So let's talk about how to measure your vital capacity, which is going to be recorded over here. So this one I'm going to take a big breath, and then I'm going to place the balloon on my lips and exhale as much breath as I can into the balloon in one go. So let's give it a try. Okay, one big breath, and again I'm measuring sort of from the neck to the bottom, so this time I get 24, almost twice as much. Alright, and I'm going to do that 5 times and then find the average. So I'll add all these together and then divide by the number I have, which is 5. Alright, have fun, you guys.